This evening, we have exclusive CCTV footage of a robbery which resulted in the death of two Chinese business people. It happened on the 23rd of December last year in Bellevue District, Southfield in St. Elizabeth. The police say the killers are still at large and are asking for the public's help in catching them. We must tell you that portions of this video have been edited due to its graphic nature. Kirk Wright reports.
This is the moment three gunmen entered Jojo's supermarket posing as legitimate customers. This man in the orange short pants, who turned out to be the shooter, picked up several items from the shelves, pretending he was about to purchase them. The other gunman, one in a black shirt, took up a hand basket and began picking up several items. The gunmen walked around the supermarket for a few minutes, scouting out the area, waiting for the moment they intended to carry out their deadly act. The legitimate customers seemingly had no clue that the men who looked like shoppers had guns and were waiting on the opportune time to kill the proprietors of the supermarket. It would also appear that the proprietors of the supermarket were totally unaware that they were in serious danger. The first deadly bullet was fired when 53-year-old Shi Yung Su went for a box to pack the items left on the counter by the shooter himself. The bandit then shot Mr. Shu in the head. The shooter searched the victim but seemingly found nothing of value. The other shoppers were ordered to lay face down. The gunmen got busy searching one of the cash registers for cash and other valuables. They also tried getting the money from the other cash register but failed to get it open. A minute later, the shooter shot 48-year-old Hai Hong Wan in the head. They took the handbag from one of the shoppers, which they used to remove the money from the store. Instead of rendering help to the victims, this shopper helped himself to 2 bottles of rum and left the store. 3 minutes later, the police arrived, and the female who showed signs of life was taken to hospital. We asked the police about the investigation into the killings.
We are indeed aware of the murders, Kirk, a very gruesome act. We are currently trying to identify the shooters and the robbers, and we're asking the public for any assistance they can give us in identifying these persons. We'd be grateful.
Do you have a number you can share for people?
CIB headquarters 960-1617, and that is 876-960-1617. You can also call 119.
The police are also asking for the assistance of the public to find an employee of the establishment. They have classified him as a person of interest. That employee left the establishment minutes before the gunmen entered. The police say that employee has not been seen or heard of since the incident. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
And once again, we want you to take a good look at the bandits. The police need your help in finding these gunmen. If you have any information, please call 876-960-1617 or 119. Meanwhile, TVJ News spoke with Wen Kai Shu, the couple's son, today. He told TVJ's Kirk Wright he applied for a gun license from the Firearms Licensing Authority, FLA, in June.
For a gun license. And when you applied for the license, did you get it?
No, I didn't.
Can you remember the reason they say they wouldn't grant you the license?
No, I don't remember.
How do you know though that you weren't given the license? How do you know? What indication you got? Did they write you a letter?
Yes.
And you got a letter saying no, we won't grant you the license.
Right.
Why did you apply though? What reason was there for you to apply? Why did you apply?
Because before my shop get 3 times robbed, so I need a gun to protect myself and to protect my parents.